2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power liftgate, tow hitch, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.